Welcome to my second math cast. The intended audience is grade 3. The learning objective is to compare unit fractions by comparing their size using fraction strips. This was created by Alicia Uline. Starting off with some math vocab. Here we have a fraction. Fraction is a number that is expressed as A over B. Fractions represent part over a whole. So our first math picture over here shows us a circle cut into 4 equal parts. 3 of those parts are shaded. 1, 2, 3. That gives us 3 parts out of the 4 equal parts we had to begin with. So 3 over 4. In the next math picture, they're showing us that we have 3 groups of 2 circles. One of these groups of circles is shaded. So we have 3 equal groups, and one of them is shaded, giving us the fraction 1 over 3. In our final math picture, you can see that we have a rectangle split into 2 equal halves. One of the halves is shaded, giving us a fraction of 1 over 2, or 1/2. Next, we're going to be breaking down our fraction, the parts of our fraction. So we know that we have a number on the top of the fraction, and we have a number on the bottom of the fraction. So the top number here is our numerator. The numerator is the part of the fraction that is above the line, which shows how many equal parts are being counted, while the denominator is the part of the fraction that is below the line, and that shows how many equal parts are in the whole. Let's take a look at our next math vocabulary word, unit fraction. A unit fraction is one part of a whole. Below you can see 5 bars, all split up into different parts of the same whole. For the first bar, you can see that we have 1 part shaded out of 4 total. For the second bar, you can see that we have 1 part shaded out of 5 total. For the third bar, you can see that we have 1 part shaded out of 2 total. And for the fourth bar, you can see that we have 1 part shaded out of 3 total. And lastly, for the fifth bar, you can see that we have 1 part shaded out of 6 total. For our last bit of math vocabulary, we are going to focus, maybe remind ourselves of the signs in math that tell us that something is either greater than, less than, or equal to when comparing 2 values to each other. These signs help us represent values that are either greater than, equal to, or less than a value they are being compared to. Let's first look at our first set of fraction strips, the purple group. So in the top bar, we have a whole split into 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. And in the second, we have 1, 2, 3. 1 whole split into 3 equal parts. For our first fraction strip, we have 1 part shaded out of 4 equal parts. We can represent this as 1 over 4. our bottom fraction strip, we have 3 equal parts with 1 shaded. We can represent that as 1 over 3. From this math drawing, we can see that 1/4 is less than 1/3. Moving on to our green set of fraction strips. We have 2 holes again. One is split into 4 equal parts. The second is split into 2 equal parts. We can clearly see from the math drawing that 1/4 is less than 1/2. Onto our blue set of fraction strips. There are again 2 holes, one split into 3 equal parts, the other split into 4 equal parts. From this drawing, we can clearly see that 1/3 is greater than 1/4. Lastly, let's take a look at our orange group of fraction strips. We have 1 whole split into 2 equal parts with 1 shaded, giving us 1 out of 2 parts. And then we have our bottom fraction strip that has 1 part shaded out of 3 equal parts. From our math drawing, it is clear that 1/2 is greater than 1/3, which gives us the equation. Thank you for watching. This mathcast was created by Alicia Uline, an aspiring mathematician. Come back for more.